gonna type in the name that I want on the cup, and now I'm gonna go to the font and search up the font that I like. And now I'm gonna go to templates and type in the search mugs, and I'm going to and when you look at these template, you could choose from coffee mug or bear mug, or custom or standard. So I chose coffee mug, and go to advance and select unattach all the letters, and then I'm going to attach them and weld it together. And I'm going to do the same for Miss, just unattach the letters, move them around, and then weld them together. And Miss and Jean right now are currently not welded together because I don't want them to have the same degree of slantness. And right there I just duplicated Strong and attaching Mr. And after positioning it and see how I like it, I'm gonna go ahead and weld these two words together, and I'm going to position them on my mat that will maximize the most usage of my vinyl. And it's going to be a foil vinyl, going to put more pressure, going to be loading it in, and this is just loading in the mat. And then after I cut it, I cut off the extra just so that it's easier to weed, because this foil vinyl was actually really difficult to weed as a whole, so I had to go ahead and cut it in sections, or it was going to rip the font that I had printed out. So this foil vinyl is Cricut brand, and it is thick, so it has a hefty feeling. But I would not recommend this for a mug per se, because the surface is curved. So I think over time it will definitely be easier for it to come off compared to other permanent vinyl. So this is permanent foil. So I put a towel down just to kind of to have my mug in place, and I cut sections of it. Just when it starts to fold, I just cut the transfer tape and put it on. And this is the final product. Subscribe if you would like for more. Thank you.